Hey guys, what's going on? Sean here. Welcome to this video. In this video series, we're going to talk about Clickbank and how you can make $200 a day from Clickbank, even if you don't have any experience online or if you don't know anything about affiliate marketing. So before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos every single day and hit the bell icon to get notifications when a new video comes out. So let's get started. And I'm going to, in this whole Clickbank series, I'm going to talk about Clickbank in a different way. And I'm going to talk about it in a way that really you haven't seen because I know that a lot of you are starting up, and if you're starting up, you're not going to have the time because I know that you probably have a day job, you're busy with your life, so you don't have a ton of time to spend it on Clickbank to figure it out, or you don't have a ton of money to spend on advertising and all of that stuff. So I know that stuff, and that's why this is a really different type of a Clickbank strategy, and it's a different way of doing it. So